Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Ledger Nano S. First, connect your Ledger Nano S to your computer using the included USB cable. Power on the device and follow the simple on-screen instructions to initialize it as a new device. Crucially, you will be given a 24-word recovery phrase. Write this down carefully on the provided recovery sheet. Finally, set a secure PIN code consisting of 4 to 8 digits to protect your device from unauthorized access. This initial setup is vital for your asset security. Once your Ledger Nano S is set up, install the Ledger Live application on your computer or smartphone. This software acts as your interface. Through Ledger Live, you can easily install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need directly onto your Nano S device. To receive assets, open the relevant application on your Ledger, then generate and copy the receiving address displayed in Ledger Live. Always double-check this address before sending any funds to ensure accuracy and security. Sending digital assets is straightforward and secure. Connect your Ledger Nano S and open the specific cryptocurrency application on the device. Within Ledger Live, navigate to the Send option for the asset you wish to transfer. Carefully input the recipient's wallet address and the exact amount you intend to send. The most critical step is to meticulously verify all transaction details, including the address and amount, directly on your Ledger Nano S screen before confirming the transfer. This ensures your funds go to the correct destination. Maintaining the security of your Ledger Nano S is paramount. Always keep your 24-word recovery phrase in a safe, offline, and private location. It is the master key to your funds. Never, under any circumstances, share this phrase or your PIN with anyone. Before confirming any transaction, always meticulously verify the details on your Ledger Nano S screen. Finally, regularly update both your Ledger Live application and your device's firmware to benefit from the latest security enhancements and features. Stay vigilant to protect your digital wealth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.